Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about AI stock. In this video we talk about stock, pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. AI stock is trading at $39.04 with a 1.87% negative loss in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of a stock was recently low, so the fundamental AI stock is much pretty not better for today. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult the financial advisor. Today's stock video is done. Thanks for watching this channel and subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and also comment all related queries.